Hey guys, what if I told you that you can build an AI-powered SaaS app in just 2 days with authentication, AI lead scoring, automated follow-ups, emails, cron jobs, and caching? So in this video, I will show you a real working AI lead scoring application I built using Motia, Drizzle ORM, Gemini AI, and Next.js. This is not a demo project. It's a real SaaS today app. So first, let me go to the front end. So first I will create an account using my mail ID. So after creating a account, it will take me to the sign-in page. So after signing, it going to my nice looking UI dashboard where every lead is has been created. So first let me explain what is this lead means. Okay, this is a dashboard how it's look. So I can see nice looking dashboard. So what this app does, this app helps small business and freelancers manage leads intelligently. Where the lead comes to the system, it automatically scores the lead using AI, categorizes it as hot, warm, or cold, generates follow-up messages, since email automatically shows everything in a clean dashboard. So first I will show the lead dashboard. This is a lead dashboard, and now I'm going to create a new lead. So I'm going to create a lead name, is my name, and my email ID, and my employee number. And I want mobile app for my e-commerce shop within today. So I'm going to create a lead here. So it will be processed in the backend. So I will quickly show after the demo of the front end. So it will be processed on backend and it will be nicely shown here. So you can see first it will status will be new. After sometimes it will be automatically after you refresh or will be automatically will be changed to the category according to the need. Like within today means it's going to be hot, or within 2 days or within a week it's going to be a cold. Like that, it will be automatically get the status as cold. So it can be see automatically get it hot. So if I view this newly created lead, it will be show every details about the how that AI is analyze this lead and will uh, also generate a follow up that can user send to leads who are created by leads. So here I can send a follow-up which is generated by fully Gemini AI. I use Gemini AI for generating follow-up and AI scores, and we can also share the URL to the share and share the lead URL. And there's also a profile page where is user the leads created by user will be listed. Let me go to my profile page. So let me go to the profile page. And when this app is completely built on Motia, which is a best AI backend framework, which is like an Express but is more powerful than Express, and which is when we are creating a backend old days, we have been using many uh, lot of tools to like for concepts we using con packages for caching we use like Redis or something like caching tools. But Motia gives all in one place, all in one platform, and also provides a nice UI, nice flow structure in the for creating a full backend architecture. So first, let me finish this demo and we'll quickly go and show what is in the backend infrastructure. So this is the profile page. So now let me go to the backend architecture. So this is a Motia, so you can see all the Motia related things and dogs here. And this is the Motia workbench where it will be given by Motia when you run in a development mode. So you can see the flows. So I have currently three flows in my. So you can see lead flow. Let me reload my server. Let me reload my server something. And using mail service my recent as my mail service. Email services. And you can see, let me explain about Motia more clear than that. So Motia, what basically it does means, so when we have a backend architecture which they wants to use API, cron jobs and event listeners and caching and some background jobs like many things, we use Motia to create infrastructure which provides all in one platform. So let me explain the what is first here. There's a main API on config and event config and cron config, which are the main things in the Motia framework. And another one is state and emit. So let me explain what state and emits in the few minutes. So this is the Motia workbench. As you can see, this is my lead workflow. This is the main workflow that's entire power this entire application. So whenever the new lead created, it will be automatically created in backend, and it will be this code using AI. So if you see this here, I have been using the AI Gemini AI to score this lead according to the message, and the email will be sent to the user. So I have been using the recent to send the email users, and this is some kind of stuff that we can do. And this is a conjob API. This is and also Motia will provide a nice canvas to showcase our flows. So this cron job will daily run at 9 a.m. and also send email notification to all users that hey, have a job that you have all been followed up, something like that. And these are the API that has been for getting lead and getting lead by users and some of the API. And now let me show that you creating a flow. So whenever the user is created, I will get the user will welcome email. So as you can see now, I will created as few minutes earlier. I will create new user, and you can see my will be sent email automatically without any interaction or something like that. So now let me walk through endpoints. So these are my endpoints for the updating leads and creating new leads, getting leads, everything as the endpoints, and deleting the leads also having an endpoint. Some of the also having tracing steps, so where the tracing will be done, and states. So basically states important thing in Motia. So when we want the our application that every request does not want to run a DB query. So in that case we can use states. So like it's like a Redis. So what the states means, before it going to, I will check before it going to DB, I would use states to get the data. So before it store the data in local in the backend, which is not which can provide multiple DB query. It's a use of state. And these are the queues where every AI jobs and some background jobs like sending email will be stored in here. And this is the three workflows, and this I show login workflow and lead workflow. And these are the logs that have been useful when we are tracking applications, like what is done in the even every logs. Now let me show the code of creating code. And so this is a creating list. Whenever first I will create uh, this is API on topic, and this is the API. So this will accept. It is using TypeScript. So this will accept create the content of the lead, and it will mainly you can see this await emit. So this await emit will be in that emit the data like what the data is created in backend. This will name the topic as lead created, and you can see in my events there's a lead score. So I will put side by side. So lead score. This will be listening for the lead created event. So if this data is emitted lead created, it will be notified this, and I also get lead ID and raw message as a data, and I will process in this in backend using Gemini API, and I will update the data in backend, and some of the I also emit this data has been scored. After lead has been scored, I will use to send notification. So here has been it also subscribes to email lead has been scored. It will be notified by the users. So this is how Motia API will work. There's a lot in more in API Motia. You can learn it through Google their docs. And thank you. This is how we can build an entire application like production ready application using Motia. So visit Motia. If you have any doubts, you can join the Discord server, and they also have very quick support Discord server. So don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel.